I haven't really been able to walk and use a washroom for a number of years, and so I do wear adult diapers when I travel because I fear having to use the washroom. Especially because it's so tight.
I have difficulties like using the restrooms, the toilets in the plane itself. Sometimes, although they actually says that the toilet is meant for wheelchair user or disabled, etc., but it doesn't have sufficient space for me to actually maneuver around in the toilet.
自己論盡啦，又要篤拐杖又坐輪椅，咁好唔方便。
When we worked on this project, we sort of understood from our own experiences flying, people with reduced mobility have a hard time going to the restroom. We've heard stories about PRMs who have refused to take long-haul flights simply because of the inconvenience brought along with it, such as having to carry around a colostomy bag. Instead of having to do that anymore, we have decided to design a lavatory that could provide additional space for them so that they could feel more relaxed and at ease when going to the restrooms.
The lavatory can be readily deployed within seconds, making it 40% larger. For regular lavatories, helping passengers with reduced mobility may need 2 to 3 assistants. The new lavatory is much bigger. The wheelchair can enter and fit. It only requires 1 assistant. Because people on wheelchairs are special passengers, we cabin crew have to pay special care. Their feelings may experience changes because they know their situation is different from others. They may feel awkward and judged. So with this new lavatory, we are able to make them feel more comfortable on board.
To actually see the faces and reactions of actual PRMs use our product brings a great sense of joy and pride.
People who couldn't travel before can now be closer to their loved ones. This is not a game changer, it is a life changer.